If you've been trying to figure out where Epic rewards are on Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your Epic rewards step by step so you can quickly check what's available in your account without wasting time clicking around. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, the rewards section can be easy to miss. So let's make it easy, and if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech and gaming tutorials, and let's jump straight into it. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Once the site loads, look for the sign in button and log into the account that you use for Epic Games. If you're not signed in, you won't be able to see your rewards or account details, so this is the first important step. After you're signed in, go to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This is where Epic stores your account options, settings, and reward-related information. When the menu opens, select Account. This will take you to your account management page, where you can view different settings tied to your Epic Games profile. Now, on the account page, look for the Rewards section or anything labeled Epic Rewards. Depending on how the website is laid out or updated, the wording may look slightly different, but it should still be clearly related to rewards. Once you find that section, click on it to open your reward details. Here, you'll be able to view your available rewards, check what you've earned, and see any current offers connected to your Epic account. If you're using Epic Games Store purchases or eligible promotions, this is the area where those rewards are usually displayed. Take a moment to review everything carefully, especially if you're expecting store credit, points, or a promotional reward. If you don't see anything right away, make sure you're logged into the correct account and check that you're looking in the account section rather than the game library or store homepage. A lot of people miss that step and think the rewards are gone when they're just in the account menu, and that's it. You now know how to find Epic rewards on Epic Games in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.